Right, so here we go. I'm using this voice button as opposed to saying, hey, so your phones don't go off. So we'll click the voice button. Send a text to Gordon.
What do you want to say?
When are you back off holiday?
Your message to Gordon says, when are you back off holiday? Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
That's it. So, as I say, all you have to do, you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel, you just click like so. Go back, slide along to the music. There we go. We can